Hi, my name is ZaKaiRan and welcome to my video and podcast, Optimal Affirmation Creation, where I give you the major keys of creating what you want using affirmations. How to use affirmations, when to use affirmations, and even when not to use affirmations. To have a joyful journey of creating your desires into physical reality. So, please enjoy my video and podcast. Alright, my name is ZaKaiRan and I help success-minded people create the happy, abundant lifestyle you love. In my videos, podcasts, articles, books, seminars, and sessions, I reveal the master keys of success, business, money, leadership, relationship, and the law of attraction, so that you can create and attract to yourself the happiness. That's the most important thing. Health, wealth, abundance, and freedom that you desire and deserve. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and bless them with these amazing teachings, and check out the amazing array of support and guidance that is available to you to become a conscious, deliberate creator of divine reality on my website at ZaKaiRan.com. And please go get yourself my free book, video, and audio series, The Master Keys of Success and Freedom, to help you create whatever you want in your life. Go to freekeysofsuccess.info. All right, here we go. Optimal Affirmation Creation. So, what are affirmations and what they are not? Affirmations are optimally, positively oriented statements or decrees or incantations, as Tony Robbins calls them, of your desires. But you want them all to be in the present, as if you already have your desires in the physical right now, not future oriented. Similar to I will have this someday. Instead, you want to word your affirmations like I am, or I enjoy having now, I love the feeling. This is one of my favorites. I love the feeling of, or I love. I love success. I love being rich. I love the feeling. If you're not there yet where you can say I love, like I've got it right now, instead say that I love the feeling of, because the feeling is what you're going for. Or you can say it's so wonderful having. I love the amazing experience. I love the excitement of having, etc., etc. And affirmations are never, ever, ever, ever worded in the negative about what you don't want. They're always about what you do want, but worded like you have it now. So, okay, what affirmations are not? Affirmations are not designed to get you out of a funk to somehow raise your vibration so that you can get what you want. If you try to use affirmations while you are low in vibration and dug in deep into the lack of what you want, when you're focusing on what you don't like and don't want, etc., etc., doing affirmations only serves to emphasize the fact that you don't have what you want yet, and it only serves to emphasize how much you dislike something. It does not help you focus upon getting what you actually want, which is the opposite of what you don't want. So, when your vibration is low because you have been thinking about what you don't like, don't want, and the lack of what you do want, then the only thing to do is distract yourself from your stinking thinking by doing something fun, or meditating, or taking a nap, or going to sleep, or having sex, or going to the movies, or anything that shifts your gears and gets you on a more positive track. Then when your vibration is raised, now you can do affirmations to energize your desire Mostly what you're looking for is just feeling good. If it feels good to be doing your affirmations, then you're already in a high enough vibration, and you are adding icing to your cake. But understand that affirmations do not create your desires into physical reality. That is the job of Source and the law of attraction. Affirmations are not for the universe. They are for you to further enhance your vibration to become a vibrational match of your desires. And again, they are for you, for the joy of it, for the fun of it, for the fun of imagining and feeling your desires in your life now, because that's what you're looking for. The only reason you want anything is because of the joy of it, because you believe it's going to be fun. Well, you know it's going to be fun once you've got it. So, number one, affirmations should be fun. You want to be having fun feeling your desires of what you want being here now. You want to be feeling the delicious joy of being and doing and having your desires in your physical reality, even though they're not technically here yet. This is the mastery of creating your desires into physical reality. First, you experience the desire that has birthed from the contrast of what you don't like and what you don't want and the lack of what you do want. And now, Source instantly creates your desire vibrationally, puts it in your vibrational escrow, holds it for you, vibrates it, calls you to it constantly, just by vibrating it, just by being it. And now your job is to become a vibrational match to your desire, to your source, by imagining and affirming and feeling the joy of having the experience of your desire now. This is the purpose of visualizations and affirmations, to get you into a similar vibrational state as your desire, to get you into a state of belief and expectation, where you naturally expect your desires to manifest because you're of a similar vibration as that. So, of course, it's just got to manifest. Because whatever you can conceive and bring yourself to believe, you can and will achieve. Thank you, Napoleon Hill. Now, I go into a ton more detail about meditation, affirmations, and visualizations in my daily success rituals video and audio series available on my website. I'll post a link in this post. So go and check those out so that you can become a master of affirmations and visualizations and create what you want easily into your life and have an absolutely amazing, joyful life. And rituals, the word rituals is a key word here, because your daily rituals are what create your reality. If your daily ritual is to jump out of bed and run into your day and without preparing your vibration, and then the old stinking thinking pops in from yesterday about what you don't like, don't want, and what you hate, and the lack of what you do want, and this person did that, and you got this pressure, blah, 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 blah. If you do that, if that's your daily ritual, that's your ritual of failure, if I had to actually put a word to it. So if you jump into your day like that without preparing the kind of day that you desire, then all those old stinking thinking thoughts and the world, the consciousness of the world that you're sort of connected to because of your stinking thinking, is going to create your day for you based on their intentions and all of your unconscious limited beliefs. So a much better way to start your day is by getting up early and creating a quiet hour, an hour of power, as Tony Robbins calls it, or 30 minutes to thrive. so that you can meditate without being disturbed. And then follow your meditation with affirmations about what you want and feel the wonderful feelings of being, doing, and having what you want in your life, to consciously and deliberately prepave your day and create what you want in your day and in your life. You got to do that every single day. So, your daily ritual of intention should be to constantly be on the lookout for wonderful things. So after you've set your tone of the day, you've meditated, which allows your things to come to you because you're now not offering any resistance. You're just allowing. That's the purpose of meditation. And then you're affirming what you want, which just feels good. You're not trying to get what you want with your affirmations. You're just allowing your things to come to you. You're enjoying the beautiful feelings of being, doing, and having the goodies that you want, even though they're not here yet. And then as you go through your day, your intention of the day is to always feel good. So you want to be on the lookout for wonderful things. You want to say, today as I move through my day, it is my intention to always feel good. So I'm going to think good feeling thoughts, and I'm going to look for the gold in every situation and every person in life. And if I can't find any gold in certain people or situations, then I'm going to look elsewhere where the gold is, because I want to feel good, because feeling good is the most important thing. So, say this after your meditation and your affirmations to start your day. You can even put it on a little card so that throughout the day, you know, when the shit starts flying, you can have a look at that again, so that you can pivot away from the shit and start looking at the gold. So, and this way, by doing this, you're going to be pre-paving your day every single day to be a real smooth day and fun day and joyful day, and then you're not going to be drained and exhausted at the end of the day. You're going to have fun, and you're going to create things, and you're going to have the leverage of the power of the universe helping you create what you want. But if, you know, throughout the day, if you get off track, because the shit will fly, as the shit does. How shit gets wings, I don't know, but it does. Hey, no worries. Don't worry about it. Just, say, hey, this is something I obviously don't want. What do I want? If it feels really bad, distract yourself from the proverbial cock-a-doodle and look for wonderful things to appreciate. Look for the gold. Go find it. It's everywhere. There's gold all around you. There's only one little teeny speck of shit, and the rest of the world is gold. That's how it really is. And when your vibration is raised again, after you've started appreciating things that are working well and things that you like and love, you can even pull out your affirmations to put the icing on the cake and really get rocking. And then you can just continue skipping on your journey of divine creation. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yay! It's a great day. It's an awesome day. It's a wonderful day for creating wonderful things in my life. Yay! Woohoo! So, I hope this has helped you get clear about affirmations, how to use them, how to effectively use them in your life. First of all, have fun creating your desires into physical reality, and then enjoying the delicious, exciting feelings of being, doing, and having them as if they are here now, even though they're not. That's the key of affirmations and the key for life and creating what you want. This is the absolute key for your joy and for your fulfillment. So have fun getting yourself into a similar vibrational state as your desires for the fun of it, but also to put the icing on the cake so that your desires actually manifest into your physical reality. Yay. And then you can revel in your powerful awesomeness because you created that desire from nothing, but just through the thought of it into physical reality. And just revel and be proud of how awesome you are and how you created what you want into physical reality just with the thought of it. So, thank you for watching this video or listening to this podcast. If you got something from it, please share it with your friends. Bless them with these amazing teachings. Help them to powerfully and easily and gracefully create what they want in their lives through affirmations, etc. And please come and visit me at ZaKaiRan.com for lots of wonderful supporting goodies for you. Go get yourself a copy of my free book, video, and audio series, The Master Keys of Success and Freedom. Go to freekeysofsuccess.info. There's going to be a link in this. And my super champions out there, you legends, you creators of joy and freedom, because the purpose of life is joy, and the basis of life is freedom. You're here to have fun and be free. So if you want to have more fun in your life and be free in your life, you're sick and tired of doing shit that you don't want to do, well, look, let's you and I work together and play together, and let's help you get out of the rat race. Let's help you achieve a life of freedom. Let's help you travel the world. Let's help you create your dreams and desires into physical reality. Go to ilovefreedom.info. Let me show you a quick video about something that can help you immensely improve the quality of your life and help other people improve the quality of their life. Hey, but if it's not for you, that's totally cool. But if you do decide it's for you, you're going to get my mentorship absolutely free of charge. How about them apples? Alright, so my name is ZaKaiRan, and I help success-minded people create the happy, abundant lifestyle you love. Thanks again for watching this video or listening to this podcast. And I wish you immense joy and abundance on your magnificent journey of divine creation. And remember to make life a holiday. Woohoo!